Welcome to our lesson on planning sprint retrospectives using AI. This session will help you understand how to enhance your retrospective processes effectively. As we learned in previous lessons, a sprint retrospective is crucial for team reflection. Its purpose is to enhance team performance by identifying strengths and areas for improvement. AI transforms sprint retrospectives by analyzing data and collecting feedback. This ensures that teams can focus on key trends and every member's voice is heard during discussions. Using AI in retrospectives brings numerous benefits. It enhances efficiency by streamlining the process and provides actionable insights that lead to informed decisions for future sprints. This quote emphasizes the role of AI in learning from our experiences. It is essential to leverage technology for continuous improvement. Several AI tools can enhance your sprint retrospectives. Platforms like Jira and Trello provide analytics features, while Miro and Retrium facilitate collaborative feedback collection. Let's look at some real-world examples of teams successfully integrating AI into their retrospectives. These stories can inspire your own practices. To implement AI effectively, start by identifying your team's retrospective needs. Then, choose tools that align with your dynamics and enhance the overall process. While integrating AI, be aware of potential challenges. Resistance to change may arise, so addressing concerns early is crucial, along with ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations. This quote highlights the importance of embracing change and leveraging technology. It is essential for teams to grow and improve continuously. In summary, AI enhances retrospectives by streamlining processes and providing insights. To implement AI effectively, identify your team's needs and choose the right tools for integration. Thank you for joining this lesson on planning sprint retrospectives using AI. We encourage you to apply these insights in your next retrospective for continuous improvement.